near Derwent Reservoir, a minister's retreat. And this is St Andrew's Church on Kiln Pit Hill, or actually Greenmere Hill, which is 293 metres above sea level. And this church was given in 1165 to Blanchland Abbey, which we'll see at a later date. We have beautiful views, obviously, all the way around there, North Durham area. However, we came today and it wasn't open. We've been before and it has been opened. So I think by looking at the website, there's been a lot of vandalism and antisocial behaviour. So until a later date, and it's quite minimalistic, very nice. And you'll notice, actually, the hopper walls are there on the right hand side. This was erected by Humphrey Hopper of Blackheadley in the year 1752 for his beloved wife Jane. And as we can see, yes, there has probably been some vandalism and some thefts from the mausoleum as damaged and missing edifices. But it's well worth a visit. There's a little nearby further down. If it's rain, there might be a muddy walk up to the top of the church, but it's well worth a look at. And hopefully, when you go up there, and if we go up there again, it will be open. Hope you liked this episode. Like, subscribe, or buy us a mead. Thank you.